Quit the geese comments. My mum and I are going to Tassie tomorrow. Sorry if I'm speaking really softly, it's because I don't want anyone to hear. So tomorrow my mum and I are going to fly to Perth and then to Melbourne and then to Hobart. And then in Hobart we'll stay a night in a hotel. And then the next day we are going to start our 3-day hike. We are doing the Cape Pillar and Cape Huay hike. Oh, and I'm pretty sure my mum is also going to do a YouTube video of this, and her account is right here. I mean, it should be Editing Darcy. Yes, so I will update you whenever, and I think my dad and I are going to go get some hiking pants for me soon. So I might record that or I might not, I'll just see. So I will see you next time I update you. Bye. Found some paints. Yay! Oh, it's hot already. Adidas or sweater?
Come on, child.
Freaking out because she loves this place so much.
There's a light that comes on.
10 out of 10 stars for the guy who recommended this.
Yeah, he knows what he's talking about. Okay. Well,
Whoa. So how we got into this hotel instead of going on to our other 2 flights is...
the music.
It's on the TV.
Well, come into the bathroom for a sec.
The bathroom has its own music. And you can just...
I love this place officially.
So what happened was that our flight to Melbourne was delayed by like an hour, and our flight in Melbourne to Tasmania to Hobart wouldn't hold up and like wait for us. So that means we had to end up just booking in a hotel. Is that right? Hello. Can you tell I've got like a whole heap of sleep these past few days?
Oh my god, what is that?
Anyway, I've seen to have
What is
not
that?
said much detail. yeah, our flight got delayed, and so if we went on that flight, then we wouldn't be able to, like, we'd be stuck in Melbourne and we wouldn't be able to go to Hobart for like a day or two. We had an option to either take that flight and then just stay there for a night or two, or we can take the midnight flight that goes to Melbourne and then Hobart in one big thing, so no stops. So we decided on that option. So they said that they would give us a hotel to stay out for free, and the guy suggested that hotel, so we trusted him and went to that hotel. And oh my gosh, it's fancy. It'd probably be really expensive if we didn't have it for free. Anyway, so I think we had to stay there for like maybe 6 hours, like, you know, not stay there but stay in Perth before the midnight flight. As you will see in the next few clips, we just walked around Perth. And if you want more detail, I'm pretty sure my mum is going to be posting a YouTube video up on her channel, which is much more in detail than mine. I just record and try and be aesthetic with the, you know, cinematic shots. And if you want to see like pictures, I posted them on my Instagram account, which is DJ Pups. I'll put it here somewhere. So yeah, let's get back to the video.
I now present you with your official TV. How's that, darling? I just need to relax. Oh, it's been such a stressful day.
Welcome, Darcy Ewings, not Mum.
It's your room. So I can drink some gin and you're going to pay for it. Whatever she was. Oh, darling. It's been such a stressful day. I just need to relax, unwind, and have one of these couches for my own house. I love this couch. It's just so fabulous, darling. How's the ambience?
So I have to be quiet because my mum is currently on the phone with some people. I'm pretty sure the hotel that we were meant to be staying tonight. Because the original plan was that we catch the flight from Perth to Melbourne and then from Melbourne to Hobart and then stay the night there. And then head off in the morning for our hike. But then, you know, it got delayed and stuff. So now we're in this awesome hotel and our flight is at like 11:55 and so we'll get to Hobart at like 5 something in the morning. So we're trying to make the most of it because at the moment it's 3:53, so we're going to try and get some rest and, you know, just relax before heading off around maybe 9:30 to go to the airport and then head off hopefully in the plane at 11:55 and arrive in Hobart at like 5 something, and then we'll go get the hire car and get ready for our hike. So it's gonna be full on the first day of the hike. We get like no sleep, but that's okay because that means we'll have a really good sleep for the first night of the hike. So we should be well and rested for day 2 of the hike. And if we do well, we'll get to our campsite pretty early. Like not pretty early, but you know what I mean. I really want to have a shower. I mean, look how big this shower is. And I feel like it'd be really nice pressure. The only thing is, you can see the shadow through this glass. So you're just like showering, and then the person on the outside of this glass can see what you're doing. Impulsive thoughts be like... Yeah, so I guess I'll just update you later. So we're going to try and get some rest. We're going for a walk now. There we go. the bells. So my mum is just in the shower and I've just been reading and dinner has arrived. My mum got a burger and some chips. And then I, like the fanciest meal ever, got pizza. Just cheese pizza. Anyway, I'll update you later about the plane situation. We just picked up the car, which is what we're in now. Well, I'm in it, Mum's outside. And so we're just gonna go to the market and also go to a camping store to get a stove, like a gas can thing, so we can cook our food, so we can eat. And then we will get started on the hike. The hottest it's meant to get today is 16 degrees and it is currently 8:40. And there's a possible chance that there might be hail tonight. Okay, bye. And we didn't even know it. So it's gonna take around an hour and 13 minutes and at the moment it's 11:44, so we should be there by 12:58. Look, it started sprinkling.
I just wiped it off the windscreen.
Well, anyway, we're on our way, so I'll just update you.
To Fortescue Bay.
So I'll just update you later.
That's awesome.
Bye. So we just signed in at Fortescue Bay Caravan Park.
Oh, at the hut, the registration hut.
At the registration hut.
Where do we go to?
So now we are going to start our hike.
Woohoo! Okay, we have parked the car. Now we need to get all our bags out and make sure there's no valuables. Make sure we take the keys. and get cracking.
We gotta go, guys. We gotta go.
Got to do this carefully. Careful procedure. Putting this on that. How do I put the bin bag on it without trapping the arms in?
Yeah, okay, I'll come and help you in a sec.
So we are now starting our trip. Mum is just signing this thingy right now. And it is currently 2:15, so we should be there around 4:15 because it takes like 2 hours to walk this track.
Okay, we're gonna go.
So I guess we'll see you along the way. Bye! Okay, I'm coming. Oh no.
Oh, precious mud. I think so.
I already told you I don't want to slip in mud. God, my sock is wet. I'm gonna have long toes now. It's 4:56 and we have like 1.5 kilometers to go. And my fingers are like numb.
Oh, do not proceed along this track. So we're not going to Huay. Alright.
Let's carry on.
We got held on. Hey.
So it is currently 7:36 and we just had a cup of Milo. But before that, the reason why you missed out on such a big chunk of time was because... Do you want to tell them?
We got held on.
Yeah,
That is
basically.
so icy cold. And we're trying to set up the tents and the wind ripped through and it all just got... And what about, we had a pet inside the tent? Are we staying in the same tent? Because the other tent was just getting blown around everywhere.
Yeah, we can
It wasn't
figure it out.
working.
And it just had pools of rain in it.
And hail.
Yes, and hail.
It was just like a slushing machine. Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, and our hands, we had no sensation in them at all. They were just red.
Gee. So it's cold without Tell us it's cold without telling us it's cold. Oh, far out.
Yeah, so we're just gonna have some dinner now. I'm having mac and cheese and Mum is having...
Teriyaki and garlic with shiitake mushrooms. Get in my belly.
And I don't think I told you, but last night we pulled like basically an all-nighter. Like we only slept for an hour.
Basically, it was an all-nighter.
Like it feels like an all-nighter.
Well, we didn't go to bed. We didn't actually lay down and go to bed.
Yeah.
Go to sleep.
And I kept waking up during it because like playing. I can't fall asleep on planes like into a deep sleep. And we're hoping to set off like early in the morning, so we'll have more time to, you know, take videos and stuff.
That's your pillow.
Are we going to Cape Pillar tomorrow?
Yep, that's the plan. It may be weather depending though, because we've already got quite a bit of wet gear, and we're kind of running out of dry gear. So it might be weather dependent. We might just end up just camping down, hunkering down in the tent.
No, it's not like camp at all. I just go around home hiding in the rental car.
Looking at houses.
Like, oh, I just that one. Well, I guess we'll see you later.
Ciao.
Bye. 2 minutes later. So first we have another leech in our house. And second, we just had thunder. And it was pretty decent. Yeah.
Sorry.
It was really loud.
That was really loud.
It was like really loud. So that's a bit exciting. Oh my gosh, I hate wearing socks with sandals or whatever these are, thongs. My mum gave me this morning. Can you tell them why?
Can you guess what it was?
Yeah. Mum said that she was originally going to put it outside my tent because we were originally going to have separate tents, but you know that didn't end up happening. And so she just gave it to me this morning saying Happy Easter because it's Easter.
That is correct. Oh, well, that's just better.
Charlie, Mum said that she also hid one for you at home.
Freeze-dried strawberry from Handsides, Albany, Western Australia. So good. The organic ones are the best. Go online. You can order them online too. Well worth it.
I am so sorry. This sound was called Sleeping Cow, so I thought I'd give it a go, but since my mum is sleeping in the video, but think I'm traumatized. I never actually explained to you what happened today. So we were originally going to hike to Cape Pillar, but then it was like really windy and raining this morning. So we ended up just staying in the tents all day, as you saw of all the footage. And today was actually the coldest day in Tasmania, like for the whole year. So tomorrow we're just gonna hike back to Fortescue Bay because we don't really have any other clothes, and if we do get wet, it will be disastrous. So, we're gonna have dinner now, which is just soup. I don't remember. I remember. So when we were setting up camp, it was actually like hailing, like hail, like, I don't know, maybe about that big, I can't really remember. And there were just like piles of hail all over the platform. It was so cool, but I forgot to take a video because it was so chaotic. Like, it was raining, it was hailing. Maybe it wasn't raining, maybe it was just hailing, but it was like really freaking windy. And our hands were numb, so it was like really hard trying to set up a tent. It was like so cold.
Charlie, you forgot something.
Cheers. I have about like 30 layers on. Anyway, so yesterday we were meant to do Cape Pillar and today we were meant to do Cape Huay. But instead we are going to just go back to Fortescue Bay, but go the other way. So we go around the bay, like we touch the base of Cape Huay. I'll put the map here somewhere. Yeah, so we'll camp at Fortescue Bay for the night, and then in the morning we'll pack up and go back to Hobart, and I'm pretty sure we're staying in a hotel, and we'll stay in Hobart for maybe 2 days. Yeah, so hopefully it doesn't rain too much today, and hopefully it doesn't hail too much today. I guess I'll just see you when I see you. Bye. So change of plans, we're just gonna go back the way that we came. headed back, and so we're gonna run to the car, and then I think we're gonna try and see if there's a spare room at the Best Western, because we kind of don't want to camp tonight because it's still raining. If we went on Cape Huay, we would have come out somewhere over there.
Yeah, see where the sign is? So it's right there, I reckon.
Going to camp at Fortescue Bay, but we decided not to because you know it's really rainy and stuff, and also we have no dry clothes. So instead, my mum called up the Best Western. So my mum got us a room at the Best Western, and so we're gonna stay there for 2 nights.
Oh, 3 now. Because we were there 2 originally. And now it's going to be 3 nights.
Yeah, so we're sleeping there tonight, and then we're sleeping there another night, and then another night. Is that right?
And then we fly out.
Yeah, and then we fly out back to Geraldton. So I'll just see you later. Bye. So as you probably guessed, I am actually going to turn this video vlog thing into 2 or 3 parts. So the first part, which is this one, was like, you know, getting here and then actually doing the hike. And then the second one will be the Unzoo, hiking a mountain and seeing snow and just exploring Hobart. And then our chaotic plane trip back home. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to go check out the part 2 whenever that is up. Well, anyway, Mabel wants to say hi. What are you doing, Kat?